Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 9 of English Reader. The name of the book is Open Skies and the name of the chapter is The Other Boat. Dear students, in this chapter we have read the story of Mr. Chang in detail and we have also completed the word meaning and question answer of this chapter. Dear students, those who did not attend the previous class can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. Yes students, today we will discuss the exercises given in the chapter, exercises such as true false, filling the blanks and multiple choice question given at the page number 70. Yes students, just open your book of English Reader. The name of the book is Open Sky. You just open and complete the exercises which is given at the page number 70 in the chapter number 9. Okay students, so just see the second question. The second exercise, yes students, in the second exercise which is given that true false. Yes students, sentences are given and you have to recognize, you have to think that the given sentence is true according to the story or not. If it is true, then you have to put the true, you have to write true in the given box. If it is false, then you have to write it in the given box false. Okay, so just see the question. Mr. Chang did not have wife and children. Dear students, when we will read the story, when we will start the story, the other boat, in the first paragraph it is written that he used to live in a small room because as he did not have wife and children. So it is written here, Mr. Chang did not have wife and children. So according to the story, this is true. So students, you will write in the box. Dear students, boxes are given in your book. You can see in the box you will write TRUE. That is true. You will also write in the given box true. Okay? Just see the second question. Question number B. Mr. Chang promised the old lady to let her sleep peacefully at night. Yes. Dear students, one day what happened, one day, not only one day, it happened every day in that room, that Mr. Chang used to work in miner. Okay, he used to work in mine. Therefore, he used to come late at night and very with tiredness, and he also used to take liquor. And when he reached at home near the house, he opened the door softly. He kicked the door loudly, as well as he used to sing very bad tune. And he also threw the boots on the floor that was made of wood. So what happened on that day? A lady who was living just below that floor and get disturbed. And the next morning the lady said that you disturbed me a lot. You disturbed me a lot, and therefore she could not sleep. So after telling all the information related to that night, Mr. Chang promised that he will not do the same thing, that things, the next night. So it is written here, Mr. Chang promised that old lady to let her sleep peacefully at night. Yes, that is also true. Yes, students, you will write it true. Come to the third question. Yes, students, just see the question. In the first question is true and second question is also true. Come to the third question. An old lady lived just above the Mr. Chang floors. Above it is written here above. Suppose that any lady is living just above. That how will she get disturbed? No, because the floor was made of wood. Where do we find wood? Just below. So it is wrong. It is wrong. If it is written here below, then that would be the correct. Okay, so just see here, it is written here, an old lady lived just above the Mr. Chang floors? No. That is false. You will write in the box false. Okay, students? So just see. Next question, question number 4. Mr. Chang used to take off his boots and keep them on the floor without making any sound. Without making any sound. It is written here, without making any sound. Suppose that anyone is taking off the boots without making any kind of sound, can anyone will get disturbed? No. But here an old lady is getting disturbed. But it is written here without making any sound. Put off, just see. Mr. Chang used to take off his boots and keep them on the floor without making any sound. बिना कोई आवाज किए शूज रख देता था? No, that is false. So that is, you will write it false. Okay. So just write down, students, in the question number first you will write the true in the given box. In the question number second you will write true in the given box. In the question number third and fourth you will write false. Okay, students, if you have any kind of doubts in these questions, in the exercise number second, that is true false, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, come to the next exercise, that is exercise number 3, that is fill in the blanks. Dear students, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have done. So just see. Now we will discuss the exercise third, that is fill in the blanks. Dear students, sentences are given, but in the mid or at the end of the sentence there is some words that is left. That is not complete sentence. You have to use some words, you have to write some words in the given blank to complete the sentence. So it is a kind of filling the blanks that you have to fill. Okay, there is no option given. You have to read the chapter thoroughly in detail. Then you could be able to fill the blank. Okay, so just see the question, students. It is written here, first question. Just see. The old lady asked Mr. Chang. The students, I will not write the question. I will tell you only answer. Just see. The old lady asked Mr. Chang not to throw his boots on the dot is given. Okay, students, just see. It is written once again, you see in your book also. The old lady asked Mr. Chang not to throw his boots on the floor. Yes, students, you will fill the word floor. F-L-O-O-R. Okay, so just write down the word floor. Okay, now what would be the correct sentence? The old lady asked Mr. Chang not to throw his boots on the floor. Okay, so in the given blank you will fill the word floor. Okay, students, come to the next question. Question number B. Just see, students. Just then, Mr. Chang remembered the promise he made to the old lady in the ... Dear students, I am giving you an option. Just see. Morning, afternoon and evening or night. Dear students, when he was going on his duty in the morning, at the downstairs there is an old lady who was standing, was waiting for Mr. Chang to ask, to scold the Mr. Chang. So it is here, what would be the time? Just see here, you have to put the time. Just then Mr. Chang remembered the promise he made to the old lady in the... When did he keep the promise? In the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, in the evening? Morning. Yes, students, the correct option is morning. Okay? He kept the promise in the morning. Just see, students, what will be the correct sentence now? Just then Mr. Chang remembered the promise he made to the old lady in the morning. In the morning. Yes, students, you will write the word morning in the given blank in the question number second. Okay, students, I hope that you all are understanding the things. Now come to the next question. Question number C. Just see, students, Mr. Chang woke up in the morning and remember that he had dot dot dot. It means blank is given here. Himself last night. Just see once again. Mr. Chang woke up in the morning and remembered that he had behaved himself last night. He had behaved himself last night. Yes, friends, you will use the word behaved. B-E-H-A-V-E-D. Behaved. Yes, friends, you will fill the word behaved in the given blank in the blank number C. Just see. Mr. Chang woke up in the morning and remembered that he had behaved. He had behaved. Okay? Himself last night. Okay, students? So just write down the word we had in the given blank in the question number C. Come to the next question, question number D. Just see. Mr. Chan promised to let the old lady sleep dot 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 at night. Just see, students. Once again the question. Mr. Chang promised to the old lady sleep dot 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 at night. Sleep peacefully. Dear students, you will fill the word peacefully. Okay? In the question number D, you will fill the word peacefully. What would be the correct sentence now? Mr. Chang promised to the old lady to sleep peacefully at night. Okay, students? So just write down the word peacefully in the given line. Dear students, in this way we had completed the exercise number 3rd, that is fill in the blanks. In the first blank you will fill the word floor. In the second blank you will fill the word morning. In the third blank you will fill the word we had. In the fourth blank you will fill the word peacefully. Okay, students? Dear students, if you have any kind of doubts in this exercise, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, now we will discuss the exercise number 4, that is multiple choice question. There are so many choices, 4 choices are given. Sentences are given, that is incomplete, and to complete the given sentence you have to choose the option which is given below. Okay, there are 4 options given, you have to select only one, that is the most appropriate, suitable and correct option. Okay, so just see the question number 4. Just see, students, exercise number 4. What is given here? Put a tick on the correct option to complete the sentences. Just see the question number 1st is given. What is given here? Mr. Chang worked as a there are 4 options given. You have to select only one. Laborer, craftsman, plumber, miner. Their students used to work as a miner. It means the option number 4. Miner is the correct option. Dear students, you will tick on the option number 4. Okay? Come to the next question. Question number B. Just see. The old lady said that she did not sleep the whole night because she was writing for the next boat. Sorry, she was waiting for the. Yes. Once again, see the question. The old lady said that she did not sleep the whole night because she was waiting for the next boat. Option given: to call, to fall, to sound, to move. Dear students, the second option is the correct option, to fall. She was waiting for the second boat to fall. Okay? To fall. F-A-L-L. That is the correct option. In the question number B, option number 2, to fall is the correct option. Okay? So come to the next question, question number C. Just write down the question. You just see the question. As he reached the door of his house upstairs, he used to knock the door very Option given: loudly, quietly, quickly, roughly. Yes, students, the option number first, loudly, is the correct option. Loudly is the correct option. Loudly is the correct option. You will tick on that. Now you can see the sentence. As he reached the door of his house upstairs, he used to knock the door very loudly. Dear students, loudly is the correct, suitable and most appropriate option to tick. You see, option number first is the correct option in the question number C of exercise number 4. Okay, so come to the next question. Question number D. Let's just see the question number D. Before going to sleep, Mr. Chang would sing in a very bad. Once again, just see the sentence. Before going to sleep, Mr. Chang would sing in a very bad sound, music, lyrics, tune. Dear students, the tune, in a very bad tune, is the correct option. T-U-N-E. Option number 4 is the correct option. Okay, students? So you will tick on these options. Okay? In the question number first A, just see. In the question number 4th A, you will tick on the option number 4, that is minor is the correct option. In the question number 4B, you will tick on the option number 2nd, that is true false is the correct option. In the question number C, you will tick on the option number 1st, that is loudly, that is the correct option. In the question number D, you will tick on the option number 4, that is tune, that is the correct option. Okay, students, so you will write all these. You will tick in your book in the given option and the correct option. Okay, students, so in this way today we have completed true false, filling the blanks and multiple choice question given in the chapter number 9, the other room. Dear students, if you have any kind of doubts, any kind of problem in this chapter, you can ask on WhatsApp. In this way we have completed all the things, all the exercises of this chapter. Okay, students, in the next class we will discuss some new thing. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.